have a problem. Yo, I'll solve it. Fire up the 3D printer while the DJ revolves it. Welcome back to another episode. Today's episode, I've been taking some stuff apart.
Well, shit.
And now I have a lot of extra parts that I have to deal with. Yeah, I've got kind of a bit of a unorganized mess on my hands, and I need to use 3D printing to solve that mess. Right now, I've got a lot of stuff in pieces, and there's no organization to it at all. So we need to fix it. Here's how we're going to fix it. This is a KOBALT mini toolbox. Picked it up over at Lowe's around Christmas time, and it was about $19 or so. And I've seen them there since then. So this may be something that they're keeping in stock more often. But it's a cute little toolbox. I already have stuff in it. Anyway, you can see here, it comes in a bunch of different colors: black, white, pink, blue, red, green. They all work. They're all colors. Sometimes it's harder to find some colors than others. I wanted a white one. I bought a blue one for my son for his stuff. Yeah, I just hadn't thrown away the box yet. I had bought this a couple months ago, and I've actually been using it, but not efficiently. So let me show you the features of the $19 toolbox. It has a lid, a little area here. You can see I've been keeping cutters and some Allen wrenches in top. It has drawer number 1. It has drawer number 2. That's it. I'm kneeling on a concrete floor for this video, so please just throw a like and subscribe to the channel if you wouldn't mind. My niece would appreciate it. This is not comfortable. Anyway, I thought it would be a good use for all these parts. So let's 3D print some stuff out and fix this situation. All right, well, after some little design work and some printing, I came out with this. So it's a tray. The awesomeness of this tray is that it falls over. The bottoms are have a curve in them, so it makes getting little parts out easy. This is not an optical illusion. This little row of bins down here is a little bit smaller than the ones up here. Just thought that would come in handy. And it's about, let me do some quick measurements on it because I don't remember all of the dimensions. I know it's 1 inch tall. Width-wise, we're running at 8 7/8, and width-wise, about 4 3/4. So the reasons for making them that width in depth is these drawers are a little bit bigger than that. Not too much bigger though. There's a little bit of wiggle room when you put these things in. But there's also a screw in the back that holds the drawer from coming out. And so this stops before you hit that. So let's put them in and see what we come up with here. I guess first things first is I gotta take all the crap out of it. All right, let's see if it fits. Should just slide. Yep. Oh, look at that, perfect. Fits right on in there. And if you want to get it out, it's real simple. But like I said before, I made it with just a little bit of room to get in there and out easy, and you don't have to worry about it. Well, that worked out well enough. I went ahead and I printed 2 more. So these are going to go into the lower drawer. Same thing, so they're still 1 inch tall, but this drawer, ironically, is 2 inches deep. So this should fit one there and one on top. Sweet. Yeah, and it's still just below the lips, so you don't have to worry about it. So plenty of storage space for nuts and bolts and whatever else in there. So there we have it. It's a quick, easy job. And if you're interested in doing one of these for your own little mini toolbox, I've gone ahead and put the files up on Maker World, and so you can download them and print them if you want. So until next time, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And put KOBALT into the comments and just let me know that you got this far. I appreciate your time. Have a good one. Peace out, sauerkraut. Oh, my knees.